Let us continue with the next one. That is question number 6. The correct order of ionization energy. So they are asking the order of ionization energy for carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So first let us write the atomic number of this. Carbon is 6, nitrogen is 7, oxygen is 8, fluorine is 9. So they are asking what? Ionization energy. So we know that as we move across the period, as we move across the period, the ionization energy goes on increases. So according to the given sequence, the ionization energy should be maximum for fluorine and minimum for carbon. So that should be carbon is less as compared to nitrogen, as compared to oxygen, as compared to fluorine. This is according to this explanation. But when we compare with nitrogen, we know that nitrogen has an atomic number 7 with configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, in which the p orbital is exactly half filled. So due to that reason, ionization energy of nitrogen is greater as compared to that of what? Oxygen. Hence, the correct sequence of these elements are carbon is less than oxygen, oxygen is less than nitrogen, nitrogen is less than fluorine. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option C. Next one, question number 7. The oxide of an element whose electronic configuration is, so they have given the electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So here the atomic number is how much? Atomic number is 11. Atomic number 11 means it is nothing but sodium, where sodium is alkali metal. So we know that the metal readily forms which type of oxides? That is basic oxides. Hence, the correct option for the given question is B, which is basic in its nature. Hence, question number 8. The order of stability of metal oxides. So, here we should know that the stability is directly proportional to the stability is directly related to or directly proportional to lattice energy. Means as the lattice energy is maximum, stability will be maximum, and the lattice energy depends on charge and size of the ions. Hence, when we go through with all this, so here what is the rule? Stability is directly proportional to lattice energy, and this lattice energy directly depends upon the charge and the size of the ions. So when we go through according to this, the correct option for the given question is Fe2O3, that is iron 3 oxide is less than chromium 3 oxide, which is less than aluminum oxide, and which will be less than magnesium oxide, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 9. Generally, the first ionization energy increases along a period, but there are some exceptions. One which is not an exception is, so here according to the given options, first option is nitrogen and oxygen, second option is sodium and magnesium, the third option is magnesium and aluminum, and the fourth option is beryllium and boron. So out of all these, beryllium, nitrogen as well as magnesium, so they have higher values than expected, because nitrogen is what? It is half filled in its nature. So in magnesium, the S shell is completely filled in magnesium because of its atomic number, that is 3s2. When it comes to beryllium, it is 1s2 as well as 2s2. So here the outermost shell in beryllium and magnesium is completely filled, whereas with reference to nitrogen, the outermost shell is half filled. So the one which is not an exception is what? That is sodium as well as magnesium. So here I can tell that beryllium, nitrogen and magnesium, beryllium, nitrogen as well as magnesium, they have higher values than expected. This is due to which configuration? This is due to stable configuration, because nitrogen is half filled. In magnesium, the outermost shell is completely filled with 3s2, and in beryllium also the outermost shell is completely filled with 2s2. Hence, the one which is not an exemption is what? Sodium and magnesium, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 10. When we go through with question number 10, the question is the correct order of electronegativities of nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and phosphorus is. So we know that nitrogen atomic number is 7, oxygen is 8, fluorine is 9 and phosphorus is 15 with its atomic number. And we know the rule. Here they are asking about electronegativities. We know that electronegativity decreases down the group. Electronegativity decreases down the group, and this electronegativity increases across the period. So when we go through with this particular representation, out of all these given elements, fluorine exhibits maximum electronegativity, followed with oxygen, followed with nitrogen and followed with phosphorus. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option C.